Hi, welcome back. This is Adventures with Dr. Joe. You know, I have really liked Panasonic electric razors, and I've had a number of them. But when the battery runs out, it's really frustrating. You can see we've got almost no power here. And I thought, well, you know what? Why don't I change the battery in this? So this is an ES8249, a wet and dry shaver. It's got a lock here that will lock the head and then allows you to pivot the head. It's got a sideburn trimmer. It's actually very nice. I'm going to show you how to replace the battery, and I'm going to put a link in the description on where to buy the battery, so you don't have to throw your razor away. All right, the first thing is there's a screw right here, right, which is a Phillips head, and it takes a very fine, but not too fine, Phillips head screwdriver to take it out. There's the screw, put that over there. Then this part comes off. Now, what that exposes is a couple screws, but I wouldn't take those out now. I would open up the sideburn trimmer, because you're going to see a screw to be removed right there. So we're going to take that out next. And again, with the same screwdriver, this piece comes out, and interestingly, it's held in with this little clip, and that when it gets reinstalled, it pushes forward and then down. So we'll leave the screw in it and put it over here. This shroud then comes off. And now we've got 1, 2 screws that need to come off before we can take the oversized rubber grip off. So again, small Phillips screwdriver. They're right here. One here, one here. Take those off. Matter of fact, let's get a closer look at that. So they're right here. Now these are a little smaller than the other screws we're getting ready to take out. So I keep these. So I keep the screws kind of together with their respective parts. So again, we're taking this one out. These two. All right, that screws out. Now the rubber grip should come out, and I've got a couple of these little pry tools. Oh, that's pretty easy. So that just came right out. Now, these screws go with this, so we'll keep that. So these two screws go with the rubber grip. This one screw goes with that. This screw stays in, and these two pieces go together. Now, we've got 6 screws on the body that need to come out. So, 6. And this metal bar will come off too. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the metal bar now. And then 5 and 6 down here. Don't strip these screws, they'd be really hard to fix. Now you're thinking, oh, now what? Well, we'll get our little pry tool out. There's an O-ring keeping the water out, because this is a wet dry shaver. There's the battery. So we'll just pry the battery out. It's a lithium-ion battery, and this is one with pins. It's got a long pin positive and a short pin negative. And here's the replacement battery for that. Positive, positive. So the positive goes here, negative here. We'll put that in and just snap it in place. Now we'll put everything back together nicely and just start putting all those screws back. Remember, there's 6 of them, so we'll be back in a second. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4 with the metal plate, 5, 6. Now it's time to put the rubber cover back on. It's got a little switch, so let's move the switch right here. Let's move that switch forward, and then we'll have this switch forward. So it locks in the handle right here, so we have it forward. And we want to kind of put that over that, and there it goes. Great. So this is where the other 2 screws go, here and here. Let's put them in with the forceps. There you go. Or tweezer, whatever you want to call it. As a retired plastic surgeon, it's a forceps. So, and that piece screws on like that, and this one as well. So we'll put that final screw over here. And when all these screws are taken out properly, these pieces come out off pretty easily. So if you're having trouble with it, stop, review the video again. Excellent. Now we'll put the shroud on, which goes like this, and there's some little pins that fit underneath these pieces, like that. And then this piece, remember, it goes forward. This little hook has to hook in there. There it goes. And then we got this screw. That really locks it in. And one final piece, and this has to fit in this way. Perfect. Ugh. Of course, I'm going to have trouble with I'll have trouble with the final screw. There it goes. And this has to be pretty tight. There it goes. Okay, so now we can charge it. So now we're going to charge it, and we should see this light up, that LED screen. And yep, it's charging. And we need to fully charge it, and we have restored our razor to good service for us. Yay. So hey, if you found this useful in replacing the battery of the Panasonic ES8249, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Thank you.